guys, this is BORDZ, and this car is Toyota Camry 2008 model, and engine is V6. And this cars need to be changed the rear shocks because it's leaking, and fluid leaks, and also it's bouncy. So we have the parts. So this is the parts we need to change. Two rear shocks, and what we're gonna do first is to remove the wheels, and stabilizer links. We need to remove the nuts, and these two connected to the shocks, and the three 19mm nuts. So you need to remove these bolts and the nuts, and also you need to remove the three nuts inside the vehicles. But I removed this one already. So what we're gonna do is behind the shocks, behind the seats, there's the three nuts to hold the top mounts of the shocks. So first is you need to lift this one so it moves forward the seats. You cannot remove all the way, or you cannot open all the way, but at least they have space to reach the three nuts in there. Is the one 12mm nuts, and the two, and the three. So, and then it's been covered this like in the back seats, this one. So what you're gonna do, just open it and remove these three nuts. I remove already, so I just show you what I remove already. So okay, so yeah, and then yeah, so now I'm gonna show you also how to remove it. So but I'm gonna maybe fast forward on it, so because a little bit couple minutes or less than an hour to do it. So alright guys, first I'm gonna wear my glove. Wear the gloves, make sure it's safety also, and clean your hands. Right, remove these stabilizer links. Impact and 19mm socket. Remove these two big wheel nuts. That's what we need is we need coil spring compressor. It's very simple and it works good. And first we're gonna put these shocks in the vice to hold it. So secure the shocks so it doesn't fall. What we're gonna do is remove this coil spring only, because we're gonna change the whole shock. So but the spring is we're gonna reuse it. So first we need to remove this a 19mm nut. So, but you need to always be careful also. You need to always aware everything for safety. But the rear shock is not that much compress the spring. It's not really loaded. So so it means it's not really really dangerous, because it's springing back. It's not really compress the spring. So so first I need a extension, impact and extension. Socket to remove the nut. Not all the way. See? It's loose now. So don't remove all the way the nut, because you never know. Maybe the spring is still it's been loaded, or like it's been it's loaded. So make sure it's been loose first before you remove the nut all the way. So just for safety. So see, it's loose now, so it means it's safe to remove the nut. So remove the nut here, so you can remove all piece of the spring. Yeah. So, and don't forget, don't close this like spacer. So just keep the spacer and the rubber insulator. See, clean that one, and remove the shocks in the vise, and shocks. I'm gonna inspect first. Yes, and the new shocks has included the nut. So the old nut maybe is disposable. So we have a new nuts to fit it in. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the new shocks, the differences. See, this is the old one, the new one, you can tell. So I just want to make sure all the heights, the diameter, if the same. Just make sure to just recheck if before you fit it in, and then once you assemble the shocks, and then when you put in the car or like install in the car, and then it's different. So make sure this under correct. That's the bolt nut to hold it on there. Yeah, the heights, it's okay. The thickness of the heights of this on there is work. Oh yeah, and the difference there is the length of this shaft. But what happened is this one this one is leaking, so it's no pressure inside there now build up because it's been leaked. So the gas has been released. So new one, see the difference, the heights. Because this one is no more pressure inside now. So okay, just want to. So this shock is correct. So now I'm gonna fit it in to assemble back with the old spring. This one will be trash. Secure the shocks with the vise. Not to make sure it's you hold in this piece because it's thicker, and don't hold in here, and not too tight also. It may damage the housing. So make sure it's you just only secure that it don't fall like that. So and put back this insulator, 12 spring insulator. Make sure it's clean. Just remove the dust and dirt, something like that. So not really clean. It's absolutely clean. Okay. And there's a guide in here, so you cannot miss the alignment because there's a guide, like a rubber guide in here. So. Okay, right, close now. So put back this coil spring. Right, make sure it's aligned. Yeah. Yep. And hold the spring because sometimes if you do not, it will pull like that. So just keep hold. And the nut already here. It's like this. See that one there is aligned. See this guide here. Sorry, not clear much. They have a pink, orange pink, and the guide here like a flat groove, something like that. So you can align that one through alignment in here. Yeah, make sure it's straight all the way to the orange and your guide of the shocks here. Sorry, it's not really right. Put the new nut. And I forgot the washer, spacer. See, don't forget the spacer because what happened is shaft there, it won't. It's my boy, Patrick. Okay. Temporary tight because you're gonna remove the spring. Yeah. Make sure it's secured. Yeah. Okay. Remove the coil spring compressor and final tight the nut. Okay. Okay, that's it. So we need to put it back. So install now. Okay, so all is straight, like secured. Yeah, it's like already this some final tight. Okay. 3 nuts. Alright? Yeah, it's hard if you just put the shocks alone. But you can still do it, but it's hard. But yeah, so it's done. Supposed to be you have 2 people to put the shocks and then the other one to put the nut. So, but kind of have assistance right now, so I'm just doing myself. Okay? So the nut, the 3 nuts is in the top. The shock mounts is okay now. It's secured, but need to be tight. So I need to raise the car back. Put the bolt and go about 90mm starting nut. Okay, need to be tight. And to counter it, I need a 19 spanner also. Put back the stabilizer wings. Right, so that is done. So I'm gonna show you what I've done. Show you. So stabilizer links not secured. All the shocks like that is set, and this is the 19mm bolt and nut tied that one. And for the sensors and for the brake pipes, okay. 12 and 10mm socket, and the shock mounts, the 3 nuts on it, secured on it, and then after that's it. Okay guys, so this is what the do for the rear shocks for the Camry. Alright guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to likes and subscribes my videos and comments if you want. So right, that's all guys, thank you very much, bye. And also we need after this car we need to check for wheel alignment. Alright, and that's it, and road test, and then that's it. Okay guys, thank you, bye.